How to get backup codes for Instagram. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's start by opening our Instagram application. Once you are here, simply go to your profile on the bottom right and click on the hamburger icon on the top right corner. Once you are here, simply go for its settings. Here you have to go for the security under the supervision. Once you are here, you have to go for the two-factor authentication and click on get started, and you have to run on one of these authentications, either it's text message or WhatsApp. Once you are done, you have to go for additional methods, go for backup codes, and there is your backup codes. So make sure that you have to save your backup codes in a safe place. Without this, you may not be able to log into your account if you lose access to your phone or can't log in with your security methods. So make sure to keep your code safe, and you can use one code one time, so make sure to use this properly. So that's how basically you can get your backup codes on Instagram.